Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the yacht and boat spotter channel.
Tired of working, you know.
Well guys, another short video from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. I also would like to take this opportunity to tell you that please, if you can, leave a comment below. If you like the videos, please do so, and if you don't like them, also say something. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I will be uploading videos daily, so if you like boats, yachts and powerboats, then this is the channel to subscribe to. Thanks, and I'll see you on my next video.